Xiaomi is introducing Redmi Note 17 Pro, and Redmi has revealed more color options. Smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. Display will be AMOLED with 6.83 inches screen size, 1.5K resolution, and 3500 nits peak brightness. There will be Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. There will be 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Redmi Note 17 Pro camera will be dual camera. It has a big 9000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charging support. It will run on Android 16 operating system. IP66, IP68, IP69 and IP69K water and dust resistance. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.